Good morning. It is Wednesday, May 17th. I was actually ready pretty early today. I guess there wasn't too much going on this morning. We had our student call. That went well. That's every day from 8:45 to 9:15. And then I kind of just get set up and get ready for the live streams, which is what I'm doing now. I need to get my phone holder ready for TikTok. I have something I'm running over here that I'm testing, so I can move it over so you guys can see it. We'll see how this long plays out here. I wonder if, so this would still be a little wider than wider, or it would be a little wider than not. It might be similar to wider. Actually, I don't mind that. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how it compares, because if it's too tight, then I'm not going to want it. So normally this wouldn't have even moved up yet. But because I'm testing this new stop, we'll see what happens. All right, let me get on. Get on the TikTok. All right, I'm live on TikTok. All right, so you can see how the stop is moving up behind the trade every time. Good morning, welcome. Green $185 here. Do you see how it's constantly moving up? This might be very similar to if we had not wider stops on, but I'll have to see. I'm gonna have to compare the two. Honestly,
order filled.
Honestly, I'm gonna have to run them just directly side by side and see what happens. No, see, on the other one, I think it would have taken it out here. But if you had not wider stops, it would still be in this long. Or that trail, if you see what kind of happened there. So, we'll see. We'll see how this works out. This is on fast. If you're new here, welcome. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 showing you my auto trading algorithm. We just had this long. It got taken out here by the trail stop, and it's still moving up. So if I didn't have the fastness, well, I think I could also adjust that. So I could adjust how fast the trail stop moves, because I would have still been in this long. This was like $200 at 24, and now we're at another 10 points, so that would have been an easy $400, $500 run. Also, gold is
order submitted.
Gold is in a $500 short here. I restarted it later on. Are we in this short now? Now we're in a short on this one I'm testing. So let's see how the stop loss plays out on this one.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we like it. So green 200 here. You can see.
Order canceled.
All right, so it took that profit pretty quickly. So now it's green 125. It's more
order submitted.
It was red because I had turned it on early. It was red like 100 before that. Let me turn this. I'm going to make this quieter. It's so loud. I also have Santa to the side. Santa's also in a short. This is fast on scalper, but I'm renaming it. All right, so it took profit there. So green 135 so far on fast. Santa is still in the short. Over here, I have Santa. If you are new here, I go live every day showing you my auto trading algorithm. This is one of them. And I'm testing something new today. That's why I have it on the front. Please tap that screen and give some thumbs up in YouTube if you appreciate the stream. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Yesterday, Jen was live, and somebody was like, this is pre-recorded. And I'm like, Jen, tell him what time it is. Like, get out of here. It is May 17th, and it's 9:32 a.m. That's why I always do that. I don't know if Jen's on the stream yet. Hi, Roland. How are you? All right, fast is in this short now. I made the stop loss bigger. I'm going to have to put the stop loss back to where it was. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But it quickly will start moving down. So if this trade starts moving down, you'll see that this starts moving down. If not, it will exit itself here. Well, actually, I have to see if that's true too now that I had this update done. We'll see. We'll see. Welcome, welcome. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. If you want more information on my auto trading algorithm, which is what you see here, do you see how that stop moved down? Then, ooh, I actually like that. Then you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. So still green 135 on the day. Santa's in a long, so I'm going to move that over here. Santa is in a long. I don't think Santa looks a little funky today. Oh, actually, Santa's not. I wonder, wait, where? What? Santa? No, Santa is. I thought it was something else. That is Santa. But, and then gold is in a long as well. I mean, a short, and it's green, $500. So you could just email me, Dale, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So we're in a short now on fast.
Order canceled.
Good. So the lines do work. I did just get that confirmation that they still work for the exit, even if your stop loss is much further up. So that's what I like to see. Santa's still in the long. Gold range is in a short. Gold bars is in a short, green $560. That's what I wanted to show you over here. This is green $560. I had to reset it earlier, so it's looking a little high.
Order submitted.
It's not showing the full P&L only because of that. Where do we go? 40.
Order submitted.
We're in another short on fast here. Santa's also in a short. If you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. We're also going to be live this afternoon from 2 to 3 p.m. Nice job, Brent. Brent just posted his results. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $3,000 on the day. Roderick, $1, 2, 3, $4,000 on the day. Nice job, guys. Ooh, that was a nice little drop on fast. Fast is green, 155 so far. It takes a lot of trades, so I'll have to, no, so the best time to run the bots are given to you in the group. That's part of the package. So when you join the group, you're given access to a settings spreadsheet, which tells you what's the best time to run it, what's the best chart to run it on, all of those things. So yeah, Roland, you're a little late with the likes because we had like 167 and there were no likes. Please tap the screen if you appreciate the stream. It's super helpful to kind of get some other people swinging by saying hello. Santa's in a short, but fast is in a long, so clearly one of them's going to do better than the other. Gold is still in that short for $550. The one that I had to reset because I had to import this and my import was being funky, so good morning. I'm ready to buy, but I already have NinjaTrader. Will the VPS? Just email me, Angel, because if you go to my website, you're going to be paying the full price. Ooh, fast is actually the winner in this one now. Well, it seems like it. If you go to my website, you're going to be paying full price. If you email me, that discounted link in the email is going to be what you want. And the VPS is something you can always add later if you don't already have one. But I think you were asking about the algo. Gold is green, $620 on the short. Santa's red, 400. Santa's green like 1100 on the week already with just Tuesday. So I would have to look it up, Miguel. But typically it's 40 to 50% of my account size, which is $10,000. So
Order submitted.
I usually don't eat breakfast, but this morning I was kind of hungry.
Order canceled.
Ooh, look at this little pump up. See how the stop loss moved itself up? So I grabbed a little snack. Green 95 on this long. We talked about this long in the student call this morning. Well, we always talk about both sides, but we talked about this. And please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. If you're on your phone, just rotate it long ways, like the way that you would normally use your phone.
Order filled.
190 on fast now. And gold is green 600. Gold range is green 60, which would be helpful because gold overnight had a loss, which happens, but would love to see gold day. 200 on gold range now. Our target is down here at 1984. Let's go gold. Let's go gold. And take that away. Go, go, go gold, go gold. This is what I said in the group earlier. We have to talk to it softly. Can we get to 1984? It's only 1 point away. We can do it. You can do that, Wed. We have 3 targets. We just don't always utilize them. You can do that where you have multiple contracts and then the one just has a super large target, and so
Order
it's just
submitted.
it's essentially just staying in the trade.
Order submitted.
That is an option. If you email me, I can send you more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So yeah, like in this setup, we're just using 1 target, but in most of them we use 2, or you can use 3. Like there's always an option for 3, but in most setups we just use 1 or 2. So you have the ability to do that. Green 200 on the gold short. Also NQ is in this short on the fast. Green $100. Let's see how this plays out. Santa's also in a short. So
Order canceled.
all right, fast took profit
Order
there.
submitted.
It's green 195 on the day so far. It's just taken a lot of trades. That's the reason why I took fast away. Because then you're paying fees and commission. So it's taken 11, which isn't crazy. But 11 trades, the biggest loss was $95, and it's made $195 in 10 minutes. But also, I turned it on earlier before the market opened, and it had a few losses. So it probably would have been more like 250 or 300 at this point, honestly. Nice job.
Order canceled.
USMCJ made almost $1,400 off of the student call this morning. All right, it had a loss there. Still green 105 on the day. Santa is still in this short. I'm going to put Santa over here now so you guys can see it.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
$680 on the $700 on the gold short, y'all. We're almost at target. Almost at target.
Target filled.
Target filled on gold. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we still have another one going. We are green $480 on gold now on this short.
Order canceled.
Fast just had a loss. See if we can hit the second target here. Green 300. It's because this one has 2, but you guys can't see it because I'm on a different account. So this is the actual gold. All right, guaranteed green on this, on the second contract. Let's see if we can hit 82 on gold. If you guys want more info, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. 1982 is our target here. 1980. We are 1 point away. We're actually less than 1 point because it was 1983.2. We only need 7 ticks. 7 ticks away. Nice. I don't know what that was. I guess Jen is out today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you have any questions, please put them in chat. We had a lot of questions yesterday. I love answering questions. It just makes it easier instead of me just aimlessly talking. So if you want me to answer any questions that you have, please put them in the chat. Oil is 2 for 2 on the day for 700. This gold, if it hits target, will then offset the other gold. So then we would be just flat on the day for gold. So then, and then NQ had a loss overnight. Oh, we're about to hit target here on gold. Remember, gold already hit TP1. That was right here. This is the second target. Gold overnight had a loss. This is gold day. If this gold day hits target, then we're going to be flat on the day for gold because the loss overnight will be offsetted by this win.
Order submitted.
You wish I was typing fake. You guys want to do a typing test since no one wants to talk about anything else? Like, is it so weird that somebody would have another computer that they would be talking on? Like, you know, I have 200 members, right? So if I have 200 members, I have to talk to somebody. Like, you guys think people aren't needy? Because they're needy as hell. And then I just have to tell them, please stop DMing me during my live stream. Yep, so that's all discussed in the group, Jonathan. Apex right now is currently doing a 80% sale with the coupon code SAVE80. Carter, I need you, I need you. Welcome. I have no idea. I don't know. They sent a text message today. It's not on their website, so you might as well just get it today. You don't have to use it today, even if you buy it today. With a small $3 account. What? $3? What the fuck? $3 won't even get you a soda at McDonald's anymore. I don't know what pow pow means.
Order filled.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Ian. There is a micro contract for gold. It's MGC. There's also a micro contract for oil. It's MCL. But again, the minimum you need in your account is at least $2,000. Oh, yeah, 3K. Yes, you can do the micro gold and the micro oil. Yeah, so most people that have already passed simulation, they typically do it in 2 or 3 days. So the first week is going to be simulation. The subscription is $500 for the first 3 weeks or 21 days. And then it is $1,000 every month after that. Okay, Angel, I was so confused. Yeah, so Campbell, it just depends on what you're running. Like if you're running all the ranges, last week they made $1,200. This week we're green $800 so far. The week before that, they made 1,745. So it just depends what you're running and the sizing. The week before that was 800. So I guess on average, if you run all the ranges, we make around 1,000 per week on the smallest mini sizing. So if you have a $50,000 Apex account, you're probably going to be running minis, like, you know, 1 mini, 2 minis. How do you show the buy and stop on NinjaTrader? I have a position open, but I don't see a buy and stop. You need to do the chart trader. EV, if you're in my group, that was part of video number 2. So you need to go back and watch video number 2. You need to open the chart trader and then point it to the account that you're actually trading from. Exactly. It's 36. No, for 80% off, I might as well get multiple and trade much bigger. Yeah, no. So, but Jonathan, some people will think with the 80% off, they should get like the 300K account, but that is so far from the truth. The $50,000 account is the best one. Because with the $50,000 account, you only have to profit $3,000 and the drawdown is $2,500, which is really good. So you can get multiple. You can have up to 20 Apex accounts. That's what people in my group do. That's what I'm showing you here in the results. If you look at this, Roderick has multiple Apex accounts. These are all Apex. Brent has multiple Apex accounts. Let's go up to Jared made $1,400 yesterday. Danny, me. Look at this. This is James. Look at all of James' Apex accounts. You see this? It's crazy. Levinsky, Brian has a whole bunch of Apex accounts. So people will have 10 or 20 $50,000 accounts. It's $36 for the $50,000 account. And then if you're conservative like Brian is, you make 200, 300, 400 per day, then every month you get to cash out of 20 different accounts. So when you're withdrawing every month, because the first 3 months they cap it at $2,000 a month. So if you're withdrawing, so Brian goes to withdraw for May, right? Say they cap him at $1,000 per account, but he has 20 accounts. He can take out $20,000 twice per month. So he can withdraw $40,000 per month. And he's conservatively manually trading because he's one of my students and using my algorithms to make this money. Kyle, look at all of his accounts. Mike, look at all of his accounts. Jeremy has 3. Mark has, I don't know, what is that, 6? Did we hit target on gold yet? Not yet. Look at Whitney. She has a personal account here, and then these are all Apex accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much what people do. Because you're not risking any of your own cash at all.
Order submitted.
Ooh, do you see how close it came to the offset there on gold? Was there a report? It's like, was there a 945 report?
Target filled.
Who is target filled? Who hit target? Oh, early? NQ early hit target.
Order canceled.
Nice. Eggs hit target. So now NQ is 1 for 2 on the day. Gold, we are still waiting on this to come through. Yeah, exactly, Jonathan. That's the best setup for sure. If you guys want more information or have more questions, please put them in the chat or email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, if you could hit that thumbs up button on YouTube or tap the screen on TikTok, if you just go tap, 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 that really helps the stream because it just brings more people into the stream that may have interest in futures or trading, and then that helps them. Thanks for the likes. So let's see if we can drop here and finally hit this target on gold. I have another gold setup that's green 800 and it's in another short now as well, green 120. We're going to hit this target on gold. I just see it. Again, this is gold early or gold day. There's a night one and there's a day one.
Order submitted.
So yes. I can change that name in there. It's not like... But it's easy to just say night and early, like because it's early in the morning, if that makes sense. Oh, I am pulling up that entire conversation, Bess. Where is that at? I don't have Apple, only laptop. Oh, you said...
Order canceled.
Guys, did we not hit target yet? What's happening over here? Do you see how
Order
close that was? Do you see how close that was? 82.5. All right, come on. We're going to get it now. We're 5 ticks away, 4 ticks away. Come on, Gold. You can do it. 3 ticks away.
Order
2
canceled.
2 ticks away. Gold. You can do it, Gold. You can do it.
Order canceled.
Yeah, so you just need $500 for the trial and then an Apex account, which right now is $36 if you use the code SAVE80.
Target filled.
Target, finally, Gold hit target. So Gold is now... All right, we are doing well, and that Gold is in another one. What's going on with Fast? Oh, I have hiccups. With Santa, it's more like 53 to 55% because the stop loss is so small that it's going to have a lot of random. Again, I'm not going to suggest stuff, David. It's totally up to you. I wouldn't suggest getting 10 or 20 if you're brand new because it's going to be overwhelming. Starting with 1 or 2, maximum 5. And again, even if you buy them today, you don't have to use them at the same time. You could buy 5 and then just use 1 at a time. And if one gets busted, then you could just roll in a different one, if that makes sense. So this is green 125, but again, it's just taking a lot of trades. So we are green. So Gold 200 on NQ, Gold day 600, but Gold night was red 600. So they cancel each other out. Oil made $700 today. 789. So pretty much flat on the day after the NQ loss. In along here. Yeah, because what Bess is saying in the chat is that when Santa has a loss, it's $200, but the wins are typically much larger, and that's why it does well.
Order canceled.
And that's why it's super profitable, because a win will be 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000, yeah. Because Apex has a great program. Yeah, most people are new to this. I understand that. But I also can't give you advice. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show you my algorithm, and then you choose how many accounts you think you can handle at once. Or if you buy multiple, just use one at a time. So, Apex is an amazing prop firm. Apex Trader Funding. They had a 90% sale. A bunch of folks got $50,000 accounts for $17. Like, you can't beat that.
Order submitted.
Nice, Bill. YM Santa was in, what, a 300? 350. Oh, look, I'm fake typing again.
Order canceled.
No, they're not a broker. They're a prop firm. So a prop firm is a company that's going to give you money to trade. I want to put this back on this because we're in another another trade here. So this was the one that made 800 and now it's in a $370 short. This is with one mini. So it already made 800. This is gold and now it's in another short, green 350. So they're not a broker. This is if you don't want to use your own cash. It is a prop firm. They give you the cash to trade with. They get 10% of the profit. You get 90%. The first 25K is all yours. If you want to know more about Apex, just go to their website, please. It's apextraderfunding.com. They're doing I don't think the sale is on their website, though. It's only to people that have used them in the past. They sent like text messages out. Okay, so I don't think you're getting it. NinjaTrader is also cheap. NinjaTrader is a broker. You can get, ES for $500. We're not saying that. We're saying if you don't want to use your cash at all. Some people don't want to use their cash or they don't have cash to use. Like I say the minimum to use my algorithms is 3 to 5K. So if somebody says, well, I don't have that money, the other option is to use a prop firm. And you're not risking any of your own cash. So people like that. And there's hardly any fees. You're paying $36 to get the account. You pass the evaluation and that's it. And then like I showed you, Brian is withdrawing $20,000 per withdrawal. You can withdraw twice per month. So he's withdrawing $40,000 per month and he's not risking any of his own capital at all. So people really like that option. All right, so this is the only trade I'm in right now, a gold short $300. And this setup is green 800 on the day. It's only taken one other trade. So $1,100 on this gold setup. Fast is in a long. Best said to get her mentorship. I got a monster 5.5 to 1 risk reward on the NQ drop. Yeah. You spit that, Beth. It's 10 o'clock.
Order submitted.
On May 17th. I'm going to a baseball game tonight. I'm so excited. All right, so NQ pushed up here on the fast. Let's see.
Order canceled.
And gold is still in that short. Okay, so it took profit there. Oh, did I already do the fast ones? I guess they haven't had any yet. All right, so we'll keep an eye on this gold as it's doing really well. Thanks, Carter. The mentorship is $1,200. It's a one-time payment. And you get 16 one-hour videos, plus you get 1 month in the group where you get the live student call every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. You get manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get access to the private student channel where my other students talk about what they see and kind of trades that they're taking. And I have some real veteran traders in there that have been with me for a while. All right, $600 on this drop. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Green 500 on this short. Target is down at 76.3. Also, both Santa and Fast are in this long. Santa's red today. Yeah.
Order filled.
Let's bounce back to gold. Jen, yes. Tap. I need to, did you make my other one a moderator yesterday? My other Lolo? For some reason I was trying to link it, and on my computer they never link, and so I never remember how it actually connected, but yeah. Welcome. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Just tap.
Order submitted.
In this gold short that I'm testing, I have the hiccups. Fast is also a short, but Santa's in a long. We'll see which one wins. Whoa, that link looks very long, Jen. Am I going to hear myself if I click it?
Very long.
Oh, I can mute it. Oh, and I can type in here. Is that interrupting this? No, I'm on a different one. Oh, that's so funny. All right, well, it saved it on my computer. Nope, so that's, Mohammed, that's all given to you in the group. All that information is given to you in the group.
Order canceled.
I wish you could like from the PC, but you can't. It said I was what?
Order submitted.
Gold is green 560 on that short. Oh, it said I was a moderator on the one yesterday. Okay, cool. My phone was dying so bad when I was at lunch, so I had to get off. Did I block myself? I posted a chat and it's not showing up in chat. Isn't that weird? I don't know what that's about. But yes, could you run Santa all day? Yes. But is it advised? No. Are there specific settings? Am I not live anymore? Oh no, okay. I am. Ooh, look at this little run here we got going. Green, $100. So again, this is fast, but I'm using a new stop loss. So that's what I'm testing here. I'm going to have to run it side by side with the previous stop loss to see if I like it better or not. I don't want it prematurely getting me out of trades because Scalper is really good about keeping you in trades when it should and typically taking you out when it should. So green, $200 on this long. This is what happens if the open is kind of crappy and choppy, then usually later in the morning it gets better. So it's 10.07. Whoa, look at this move up. $260 here. Whoa. This is on 1 mini. If it tags this purple line, it will take me out.
Order filled.
So I don't know if this is close to the not wider stops. I'm going to have to check that out. Am I still live? Or did I mess it up? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, I didn't know if I messed something up by going on the link that Jen posted because it's under the same. Hi, Kevin, because it's under the same. Thanks for my Mother's Day wish the other day, Kevin.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, now we're in this short.
Order canceled.
And it took profit there, 310. Jen, do you like this new stop loss? I just had it added. We're going to have to play with it. New testing. This is what happens. I'll think of something or something will come up and then I'm like, ooh, and then I get it done and then I'm like, we need to test that. But I need to test it next to what we currently have with the not wider stops because I feel like it might be very similar to that. Also, maybe I should change it to on bar close because then in this situation it wouldn't have gotten out, but it would have gotten out here, which would have been pretty much the same. There are so many variations to testing that you can do. It's insane. Like, it just never ends. It never ends. You can change the times. You can change the target. You can change the stop loss. You can change the time of day. Like, there's so many things that will then create something else for you to test that it's just wild. All right, let's see if we're going to move down here. We're at 89. I kind of like this short. See if we can move it down. Thanks, Jen, for liking the live. I finally found another phone holder, so I'm going to order that. For when I travel and stuff, because Jen had to experience for like 15 minutes what it was like to hold your phone for an hour. I literally have just done that when I'm away. But I'll also rest my elbow like on something. So I'll just rest my elbow and hold the phone the whole time. I also have that MagSafe on the back with like one of those holders, like the thing that you can put your fingers through. Thanks for the likes. All right, so this is going to be stopped. This, when it gets up here. If I had the, well, I guess that would be the same. It's very similar. The 200 stop loss would be very similar because this is 140. Until this turns green, this will stay in the trade. There it goes. Then it will exit. Well, this needs to turn green too. Oh. See, this one's still red, but this one's green. Thanks, Carter. Jen will... Carter, if you're around this afternoon, if you're feeling okay, Jen is going to be live from 2 to 3 p.m. We would love to have you on the live stream. So if I change the stop to 200, then this would have been stopped out here. Again, that's another thing that I can play with. This hasn't turned, it wasn't an issue until just now. Like, it hadn't gone above 200 until just now. But both of these need to turn green for it to exit the trade. See, now this is green and this is green. Then it should be exiting the trade. I think I have wider stops on. I'll have to change that. I'll have to change this to 200 so it goes back to the regular stop. Because there's no reason to risk all this. You know what I'm saying? Thanks, Carter. Gold is still in that short, but now it's only green 100. It was green like 500 at one point. That's another thing I'm thinking about adding in. An offset or some type of a stop here. Like a trail stop. Trail stops are awesome. Yeah, I don't know why this one hasn't stopped yet. It definitely should have. Like, I could just move this down.
Order filled.
Because I'm going to update this to be 200, so then it doesn't have extensive moves like that. It hadn't had one all morning, so. But I'm glad I saw it. And I also saw... I heard you break the whole internet. Santa's in a trade. We haven't looked at Santa much today. It hasn't been doing that great. Green, 120. So this is the typical stop where it stays down here for a while, then it moves up, and then we just base it off of the trail line. So I'm really going to have to do some side-by-side comparisons and see what looks better, or if the non-wider stops is similar to what we already have. So I'm just going to have to run the fast all day compared to the other fast and then see how that goes. If you guys want more information on the auto trading software or the algorithm, whatever you want to call it, the robot, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, we are going to be live this afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, 2 to 3 p.m. All the times I always speak of are always Eastern Standard. So I go live every morning, Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 10:30. And then we also have a live stream in the afternoon from 2 to 3 p.m. And that is with Jen. She is awesome. See how that moved itself up? But then it's just going to stay there because these thin lines are also a coded trailing stop. See if we can actually push up here. NQ's been holding back on us this morning. Oopsie. I have one little cookie left. Did anybody else have a grandmother that would just have tea and cookies in the morning? Because that was my grandmother. That's Jen right there. All right, green 225 on this Santa long. Green 300 on this long. Also, I could update the speed to have it slower. Oh, see, this is how it's like. It can just go on and on and on. The variations or the, yeah, I think that's the correct word. There's so many ways that you can adjust something. We will see. Okay. All right, I'm probably going to wrap it up here. It's 10:15. Well, let's see what happens with this NQ trade. If you guys have more questions, please put them there in the chat. So what's the P&L for this session overall with the running? Everything's been running. Yeah, so scalper, this is in sim, so I'm not going to include that. But gold is flat because it had one loss overnight and then it had one win in the morning. NQ is green 200. Oil is green 700. So that's 900 for the session that we've been on. And then this, which is Santa, is currently red. The other one is flat. Fast is flat. And then this is green, $800, but that's also in testing, so I'm not including that. Yes, William, 2 p.m. will be fun. Everything is decided by the algorithm. All you have to do is turn it on every night. You turn it on and it trades for you. Do you see how here, I feel like on that other stop, it would have taken me out already? That's why I need to either slow down the speed or figure out.
Order submitted.
All right, we'll be back at 2 p.m. I'm going to go adjust the other one to have a trail. I need to add that in before I have a student session at 11. And then Jen will be on at 2. We're still in this long of Santa. Nice little move up here. All right, if anybody wants more information, please just email me. It's the easiest way to get in touch with you. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never DM you on TikTok. Please do not get scammed by these random people trying to impersonate me. Just email me. That's the only way I will chat. All right, this is a really nice trade, so I don't really want to get off because it's doing well, but I do need to try to play with some stuff. Bye, Marv. Marv, I didn't even notice you were in the chat today. All right, it's probably going to get... Stop this. And again, if you didn't know, you could take this and move it up if you wanted to. You don't have to. It's my auto trading algorithm. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. We will be live again at 2 p.m., Marshall. But if you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. This is one contract. We're in this long. It's green, $375. And today's Wednesday. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to jump off of here. And, yeah. Hey, NQ, get up there. Keep going. All right, y'all. Have a good day. We'll be back at 2 p.m. 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok only. Oh, you were driving. Got it. And we'll talk to you then. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for